Okay, let's talk about that big promise you see everywhere online. Instant gratification, AI video. Sounds amazing, right?
Absolutely. The idea that you type a few words and boom, a cinematic video appears.
Exactly. And today we're digging into one app pushing this hard, Flashloop. It claims uh, cinematic videos in seconds.
And they mention some serious tech behind it, like Google V3, V2 models.
Right, which, suggests they're aiming for high-quality stuff.
On paper, at least.
So our mission here is pretty straightforward. Bridge that gap, the huge difference between the flashy ads, the sort of one-click dream, and what you actually get when you use it.
Yeah, what's the real user experience?
They promise studio quality, no crew needed, perfect for shorts, TikToks, ads, available everywhere, web, iOS, Android. The pitch is solid.
It sounds incredible.
But how does the money side work? What do the sources say about paying for this revolutionary tool?
Well, that's where things get interesting pretty fast. The download, free. But the sources make it clear the actual business model is all credits or subscriptions.
Meaning you have to pay to really use it.
Correct. Meaningful output means buying in first. And here's the real kicker.
Uh-oh.
Those subscriptions. Billed up front.
Uh-huh.
And strictly non-refundable. That's stated clearly.
Non-refundable, okay.
Yeah.
That's important.
It's vital. Because with credits, every single try, even the ones that fail, that don't work out,
They still cost you.
they still eat up those credits you already paid for. You're basically paying for the attempt, not necessarily for a good result.
Oof. Okay, and you can see why that model might be, well, concerning when you look at the user feedback.
Definitely.
The download numbers are huge, like over 50,000 installs just on Android. That sounds popular.
Massive numbers, yeah.
But does that match the experience? Sources say complaints pop up immediately, like needing a subscription just for the basic text-to-video.
Right, the core function is gated.
And get this prompted for a review right after signing up.
Ah, yes. That's a classic tactic. Before you even know if the app works well.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It seems designed to capture positive ratings before you hit the problems.
It really does. And those high ratings, like the 4.7 on iOS, they clash sharply with the detailed complaints, don't they?
Totally. People are saying the output quality is just low.
Very low. One source mentioned maybe 1 out of 10 prompts results in something usable, just 1 in 10.
Wow. Think about the cost of that with the credit system.
And add technical glitches like generated text in the video being, well, gibberish sometimes.
So if 9 out of 10 tries fail,
You're essentially paying 10 times what you thought for one usable clip. The actual cost skyrockets.
there's one specific story, wasn't there, about credit use.
Yeah, really sobering. A user bought a plan, burned through more than 3/4 of their credits in just a few days.
And got what?
Only a handful of videos they could actually use. The source literally called it something like a high-risk buyer trap because it consumes your money so fast on failures.
Okay, so that brings us to the bottom line for you listening. Is it a scam?
Well, the verdict seems nuanced. Not an outright scam, no. But given everything, the terms, the performance reports, it's definitely a high-risk purchase.
High risk.
And then the company covers itself. The terms explicitly say quality may vary, which
Yeah.
could mean anything.
Right. So practical advice.
Don't expect it to replace your proper editing software or workflow, not even close.
Okay.
Treat it maybe as a novelty, a sandbox to play in.
A toy, almost.
Nah.
Not a main production tool.
Exactly. Keep expectations very, very low if you decide to try it.
So if you're still tempted, what are the absolute must-do steps before you pay anything?
Test any free version or trial thoroughly. See exactly what those credits buy you. How fast do they disappear on fails versus successes?
Check the burn rate, essentially.
Precisely. And just keep those expectations really moderate. Don't buy into the hype fully.
Yeah, that hype versus reality gap.
It's huge here. That slick marketing, those big download numbers, they paint one picture.
Oh.
The actual performance, the cost of failure, that's the reality you need to investigate.
So always check the evidence, the real user results, before jumping on the next shiny AI tool.
Absolutely. That investigation is crucial before you invest your time or your money.